Guys, please tell me how am I gonna get here? Look, just look. Okay, wait, just wait. Okay, 1, 2. You see what I mean? How? Please, man. Look. Well, yo, bro, I almost got it. But please tell me how. That was clean. Please, come on. Whoa, what was that? Oh! Stupid. Ooh! Backflip. Oh. Oh, please. Get on the... Nah, bro. What? Get on the... Oh yeah, guys, I have a new video out. For a kid. It's Friday Night Funkin'. You can watch the video if you want to. I just dropped a new one. A new video, sorry. Part 2 of Friday Night Funkin'. This is too... I'm gonna say this is... Oh my days! Nah. I can't.